All right, let's take a look at a quick practice problem of how to find the distance between 2 points on a coordinate grid. So ideally, we're just going to be utilizing the Pythagorean theorem as we look to find the horizontal distance between the 2 points. So we're going from x is 4 to x is 9, so that's a horizontal distance of 5 units. Now let's look for our changes in our y's, our vertical distance. So we're going from -5 to 7. That's a difference of 12. And so our goal here is to find the distance between those two ordered pairs. And as we know, the shortest distance between any 2 points is a straight line. So as you can tell, we've created a right triangle. So now let's use our Pythagorean theorem to solve for our missing side length, which in this case is the hypotenuse. So as we plug in our legs, we have 5 squared plus 12 squared is going to equal our hypotenuse squared. 5 squared is 25. 12 squared is 144. That'll equal c squared. 25 plus 144 is 169 equals c squared. To isolate c, inverse operations, so we're going to take the square root of both c squared and 169. The square root of 169 equals 13. So therefore our missing side length is 13. Now something to keep in mind, in this case we had a rational value and it turned out to be a whole number, but it does want us, so pay attention, as we're answering these questions in IXL, to always round to the nearest tenth. So just keep an eye on that as you guys go forward with some practice problems. Good luck.